There's a big old queue for Meta, but I do think that they get it, and I do think they actually have the biggest chance to kind of disrupt this whole market, because they understand that if people are going to use wearables, they have to look good, and they're partnering with the right people. I haven't seen the display glasses, which I'm sure will be a cool demo, but I'll have to leave that for now, I think. So I did end up getting time to see Meta, which is very cool. I personally think this style is too much for me. I wouldn't want to wear these full time. At least they can be prescription though, but the displays are really quite good. I was expecting the display to be just off to one side, but it's not. It's actually right in the middle of your vision. And it's one of those things that you're kind of like conscious of whether you're looking at a display or not. And it's a full color display. It's not as large and not as crisp as the Ray Neo that I saw recently, but it's there and it's full color. It's not like one of those green displays, so it's quite cool. And they're just as comfortable to wear as any others. I will say that in the loud environment that we're in, actually, I couldn't really hear the demo all that well, but that perhaps is because the volume wasn't turned up as high as it can go, because I can generally hear my Oakley Metas just anywhere that I am. So these are pretty impressive technology, I must say. So that's the display tech in there just now, and well, the very brief testing that I did, I couldn't see in the mirror the screen itself. And this is the question: is the coolest phone here at MWC? Is it actually not a phone at all? I mean, yeah, they are. It's a shame though, because my wife just looks so much better in the Halstons that I've got. But these are very good as well. I can imagine these being my main glasses. Still think they need to put some kind of cover slip over the cameras so you can make it obvious to people that you have no intention of recording them at any given point. It's good though. And then these are the Vanguards, which, yeah, if you're a sports person, I think these are the smart glasses to buy, just hands down. Because yeah, Oakley Prism glasses, the best for sports, and their cameras are, yeah, very much good enough. Recently, we took them skiing, and we just found that being able to talk to them rather than having to actually press buttons to start and stop was really, really useful. And actually, even though it is a vertical picture, actually it's wide enough to capture your sports pretty well. So we're quite impressed with that, really. Love to be able to try the neural band. I don't know why they didn't just make it a watch as well, though, just to at least let you tell the time with it, because it's just another thing you need to wear on your wrist then, isn't it? So I'm going to test out the neural band now. So yeah, pop it on my right arm. So slightly higher up than your wrist bone is where it needs to sit. Yeah, there it goes, yeah. So just double tap with these two fingers, middle finger and your thumb, and then the screen popped up now. Oh, I see. So you use your thumb like it's a controller on your index finger. Oh yeah. Up and down, okay. I think it's not tight enough. So they're different sizes depending on different wrists, right? So the small, a medium, and a large depending on the sizes. And that one was a bit too loose. I felt it slipped down my arm as soon as yeah, I got it first time. Yeah, well, so it's still up. I'm on Ask Meta AI now. Yeah, very easy, yeah. Oh yeah?
And then you're able to zoom in and out.
Nice. Yeah, that's a good idea, yeah. So he said pinch and then, oh yeah.
Yeah,
and turn. Go to the right, yeah, I see. Oh yeah. It's recording a video, yeah. Can you twist in and out while you do that? Yes, you can. That's very good. I'm wondering, like, because what we enjoyed recently with the Halstons was using them while we were skiing. Like, do you reckon that would work through like ski gloves even with the gestures? Because I suppose if that was on your wrist, it's not relying on your fingers tapping, it's relying on the muscles. Obviously it'd be the next generation when you get these in like Vanguards and things like that, you know, for sportswear. I think that really makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Yeah. So middle finger is like back, I guess, yeah.
Your index is just a leg?
This has got goat. Goat simulator on AI glasses, that's exactly what we did, yeah. Yeah, these are good. Like I've been talking a lot about smart glasses recently, and like some cheaper ones I've been looking at. These are actually working. These are actually good. And because the Halstons are good and you just added a display, yeah, I think these are, they're currently the leaders, aren't they? They really are, yeah. So that's what I'm seeing here. So I'm going to go to the right. Oh, okay. German restaurant, maybe not in Barcelona, American.
What is that?
Udon sounds a bit more like it. Yeah, let's go with it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I can see the direction is changing. There we go. Yeah, nice. Yeah, and teleprompters there I see as well. Obviously very useful. Yeah, can I show that as well to the?
Yeah. The good thing is that the glass is able to capture exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah, and another thing that's important about this, so you've got captions right now, live captioning in English, because a gentleman was speaking to me in English, but if Pedro is going to speak to me in Portuguese, then I can select to have that as a translation as well, which is very useful. And it's right in the eye line. That's why it's just, as I look at you, the screen is just below your eyes. That's nice, so I can still kind of maintain. I don't know, do I look like, I'll look at the camera, like, do I look like now that it's just below where I want to make eye contact, so I can still see the person's eyes, talk to them naturally, and then, I can see the text underneath. And I guess it's not picked up any of my voice at all. It's only when you start speaking.
So
See, right, yeah, so it knows directionally which person's speaking. So Pedro just sent me a script to read out. Hello and welcome to MWC 2026. We're excited to have you here and even more thrilled for you to experience the innovative teleprompter feature on your Meta Ray-Ban display. Here's what you can look forward to. You can look forward to just scrolling down as you speak quite naturally. Yeah, and I could see this being very useful for what I do, speaking to camera. I'm wondering, can you see at all the screen when it's on? Do you know that I'm looking at a screen here? I can't see anything. Very hard, yeah. But it's unlikely to be right behind somebody, I guess. So it is pretty private, really. Yeah, very nice. But just thank you very much for showing them to me. That's really good of you. Great job. See, came highly recommended, but and didn't disappoint.
Oh, that's cool.